Alright, so we are now
Officially married?
officially married. We are on our way to Copenhagen.
Yeah.
We started a vlog here like this once about 4 years ago. Where are we?
Train station.
Yeah,
Homestad.
So this is quite full circle.
Yeah, and now we're going back to Malta.
And Sarah's officially a married woman.
You're a married man.
I've always been a married man. I got cerebera. So now we're off to Copenhagen. It's what time is it? 8 o'clock. 5 past 8 at night. And we're going down Malta tomorrow. The wedding yesterday was amazing.
We're gonna catch a train at 5.
Train at 5. So.
Oh, we could check in now in the app.
Yeah, I got that this morning.
Did you do it?
No,
Oh.
I'll check in.
All right.
But yeah.
We're gonna do a bag drop though, so we
Bag
can be
drop.
early today.
Which sucks.
Yeah.
Alright, hey
It will
door.
work out.
Hey door.
Hey door.
So we're now at where?
Lund, I think.
Lund. We're in Lund. We have been on the train now for 2 hours. I've just been going through.
No, the whole train trip is 2 hours.
Is it?
Yeah.
Been on the train for what it seems like 2 hours.
You've been on the train for an hour and a bit.
So now we're heading down to Copenhagen. It's late. It's 9:41. I'm starving. The sun just went down. I've been looking at all the photos and everything and editing while I'm here. Sarah's just being beautiful. She's so sleepy. I'm so hungry. And yeah.
I just want to go to bed. I was going to send you out for dinner on your own.
It's my city. I just want to come back.
You have to. You can't miss your own honeymoon.
Oh, that's true. Lots of fun things to do. Going on honeymoon with you and my family.
And they're only there for a couple of days.
Alright. Well, tack for the dog. Are you so tired?
Oh!
I'm
so tired!
So where are we?
Copenhagen.
And we're coming into Centrum right now, and we're gonna go to the hotel.
I'm too tired.
I'm so tired. And then we're gonna have some noodles.
I want to have sleepy sleep.
Sleepy sleep. And then we're gonna have some noodles.
Oh, you have noodles. Oh, I should have it. They were gorgeous, but I'm
I want
literally
that
falling
chili
asleep
thing one.
standing.
That was great. We are really falling asleep. It's 10:30 at night, and it's been a long day.
Didn't sleep much after the
Day
wedding.
2 wedding.
Godaften, mine damer og herrer. Næste station
Hej
bliver
då.
Københavns Hovedbanegård, og toget her fortsætter til Nørreport og Østerport. Fra Københavns Hovedbanegård kan du opnå forbindelse.
Okay, so now we're in Copenhagen.
Yes, again.
Again, married in Copenhagen.
Yes.
Woo. Now we're gonna get to our hotel room. The place is actually really nice
Oh,
here.
you got my handbag.
I do.
That's good.
You forgot where you put it, did you?
Yeah,
Oh, probably still on
it
the
at
train.
I heard my phone go.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Oh, where did I have
Well, at least
that?
Macca's is open, so if we can't get food, we just run there.
Oh, not Macca's again.
Yeah, chips. Last night at
they were
2:30,
disgusting,
we went to Macca's
but I was hungry.
to buy full in our wedding suit, and yeah, it was quite an interesting day. But anyway, I love it.
Interesting end of the day.
That too.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're going to get down the elevator now, so hey dork. So we're at Momo's having food now. It was actually pretty good. Sarah's picking up a bit. She was pretty flat before.
Yeah, I'm still flat.
She's still flat, but she's just happy she's eating. So now we're just going to eat. It's 11:09. Hopefully be in bed by 11:30. Like seriously, we just eat this and run back home. Get up at 5. Brekkie, all that. Yeah. And get there. Cause man, I'm hungry. Alright. Hey dog. So we just left a group of guys in the square that were chanting and dancing and singing, and then all of a sudden we got to Tivoli to take some pictures. And that's happening. So cool.
Like a fire.
They're all happy and everything. I'm happy I'm not that close. Woo! We're only going halfway. Oh, it's still going! Woo!
What the hell is smoke?
All right. All right, we're gonna go to the hotel room. Hey, door.
We're not.
Good morning. It's 5 o'clock on this beautiful Copenhagen sunny, rainy morning. We're about to get everything ready and go to Malta today. So yeah, I'm excited. You excited, Ben?
Yes.
Malta.
Yes.
Malta.
Yes.
Malta. Honeymoon. Woo! Hey, dog. So we're now on the train. It's 5:47. We are just chilling, relaxing,
Getting to the airport
getting
early.
to the airport early, so we can repack, unpack, and repack. Have a coffee, have some food,
Yeah.
chill.
Go to Malta.
Malta. You excited? I'm excited. I'm tired. Oh, there's Pippi.
Yeah.
It's been a really big couple of weeks.
We had fun.
I'm married. Hey. Hey, door.
Everything's.
Copenhagen Airport. First stop to Malta. And kisses.
I love you. I love you. Tired still. I love you.
Don't sleep, just be beautiful.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
She's sleeping. Hey, door. Alright, we're weighing the bag.
Huh?
Can you take the boarding pass?
Oh yeah, you can take the boarding pass.
19.4.
Mine was more.
Oh, we're lucky.
We just made it.
Let's go.
Done. Now we
Bags
can relax.
checked in. Now we just got to get some food and go. Hey, door.
Boarding pass, passports. Like that.
Hey, door.
Hey door.
Good old Copenhagen. You've treated me well again.
Alright.
We go through here, bruh. Oh, you've seen the thing. 821. What's the... Oh, A21.
Yeah.
That's down that way. So let's get through.
Can't remember any filtered pop-ups here.
It's Copenhagen, there's always something. Alright, so now we've gone through customs, we've got everything sorted. We're gonna go to the gate A21 to get to Malta. And yeah, I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
It's getting close now.
Direct flight, no
Direct
more
flight,
change.
no more change, no more checks. It's just straight there because I didn't want to do that again. I get so over the checks.
Austria was fun.
Austria was Jesus.
You are not in Australia. You will not see kangaroos.
You will not see a kangaroo. So yeah. So we're walking back down the stretch again. My favorite part of the world and my favorite land, Copenhagen. And yeah, so now we're just gonna get to A21 where oh, there's another food place and it's the exact same brand. Sarah, you're so smart. So I got in line. There was about 80 people in the food place I wanted to go, and I couldn't justify waiting there. So I was like, better keep moving along. But yeah, this terminal's all new now. At least there's a little line with this one, I think. A's down there though. Oh wait, A21?
Yeah.
18 to, so it's down here. This is the way we've been before. Alright, do we have time? Do you want some brekkie? We'll just queue around the bend. Queuing. Winning. Hey door. Alright, so I just stood in line for about an hour to get yogurt and my 2 chocolate scrolls. The last time I'll have them for a very long time. Sarah was asleep.
Yeah.
She got the passports. We've been down this terminal before. I like this terminal. We're so close to Malta. I can smell it.
Control again?
I don't know, maybe. But all the passport controls have sort of died down, hopefully, because of everything. There's a mini Starbucks for Kim.
Oh.
It's the smallest Starbucks I've ever seen in my life.
That's something you're gonna take a photo of.
That's great. Oh, there's too many people. I'll see if I can get a snap. That's brilliant. Kim would love that. All right, 21. I can see it. We're so close, Bear. We're so close. Hey, Bear.
Yes.
Where are we?
Airport.
Airport. Shoppenham. All right, I'm ready. You ready? You ready? I'm ready.
Honeymoon.
How you doing?
Here we come.
Honeymoon. 2019. Woo! How you doing? Yeah, we're at the back of the plane. Hey, Bear, where are we?
Airport.
We're on the way to get on the plane. We're at the back of the plane.
Got a last minute gate
31
change.
and 31A, we got a last minute gate change. At least it's quiet out here. Right, now we're heading.
Can you believe it? Drew was the one picking it
I
up.
picked it up. I listened to it. I was like,
I was like,
someone says something about Malta. Malta. And I'm like, yeah, Bear, let's listen to it. What beautiful weather.
Howdy.
I can't wait. I'm so excited to be. I can't wait. I'm that pumped.
I'm so happy we have a direct flight.
Direct flight, super easy to get to, great weather.
Yeah.
Hey Bear, where are we?
Malta.
We just landed. It's 11:55 and we're here. It's cloudy.
We didn't get much late, even if we had to sit and wait 20 minutes.
No, and we slept on the bus. We slept on the plane. It was pretty good. Now we're going to go through security. Woo, ladies first. And then from here, where are we going? To our hotel and sleeping. Sleep. Kisses. I can't believe we're here. It's been 4 years since we've been here. 4 years?
Connecting flights. I wonder how many.
Who
transfers
connects
they get
here? Where do they come from? The small island? That's cute. Malta. It's as beautiful as I remember. It's as beautiful as I remember. Let's hope they have a coffee shop close. I love you. How you doing? How you doing? Hey. So here we are at St. Julian's Bay. It's beautiful. Yeah. We have just went to the hotel, we had a look around. Now we had some food at a place. Not too bad. The food was alright, but the smoking was terrible.
Good. I would say it was good.
It was good food. The food was unfaultable.
I just ordered calamari and I didn't know it came with mussels, and I'm not so keen on mussels.
The local special, which was good.
It was really nice.
We're just
not what I expected.
Chilling here, waiting for the hotel now. We've got another hour until we go. I'm gonna head over there soon, so then see if we can get a shower. I'm pretty
I want a shower.
Dirty.
I don't think I had a shower since we got married.
That sounds bad. Actually, I don't think I've had a shower since we got married as well. Holy crap.
You shower twice a day.
I do. Oh wow. Yeah. Ew. 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 Oh no, I lie. I had one in the morning.
Oh yeah.
That's right. I had one in the morning. Got you there. I normally shower about 5 times a day, so yeah. So here we are, sitting St. Julian's, and yeah, it's great. It's a beautiful day. It's so not the typical Swedish weather we've been used to the last couple of days, so it's beautiful. So just gonna chill around now, relax and enjoy. Malta, you're beautiful. Vinny's home country. Hey, Doc. Hey, Doc.
Hej då!